Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Python indexing and retrieving URLs from a list, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python, indexing and retrieving URLs from a list is a common task, especially when working with web scraping, API calls, or any application that involves handling multiple URLs. This tutorial will guide you through the process of indexing and retrieving URLs from a list using Python, providing code examples along the way. Step 1. Creating a list of URLs. Let's start by creating a list of sample URLs. In a real-world scenario, you might fetch these URLs from a database, a file, or an API. For simplicity, we will create a list manually. Step 2. Accessing URLs by index. To access a specific URL from the list, you can use indexing. Python lists are zero-indexed, meaning the first element has an index of 0, the second has an index of 1, and so on. Step 3. Iterating through the list. If you need to perform an operation on each URL in the list, you can use a loop. Here's an example using a for loop. Step 4. Retrieving URLs based on conditions. You might want to retrieve URLs based on specific conditions. For example, extracting URLs containing a specific keyword. Here's a simple example using a list comprehension. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to index and retrieve URLs from a list in Python. Whether you're working on web scraping projects, API integration, or any other task involving URLs, these techniques will prove useful. Feel free to adapt and expand upon these examples to suit your specific use case. ChatGPT.